How much does Kick pay streamers? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll discuss how much does Kick pay streamers. So, in this video, we'll talk about in detail about how Kick pays its streamers and how much it pays them. So, without any further delay, let's dive straight into our video. So, before Kick pays streamers, the streamers will first of all have to join the Kick Creator program. So, once you join the Kick Creator program, only then will you be able to get paid from Kick. So, the requirements to join the Kick Creator program are really easy. All you have to do is simply stream for a total of 5 hours and you only need 75 followers. Now, once you have those, you will have successfully joined the Kick Creator program, and for every 100 subs, you will get around $474, which is equivalent to $4.74 for every one sub, which is a lot as compared to Twitch's $250 for 100 subs. Now, Kick streaming payouts are also one of the platform's most notable perks. Streamers receive around 95% of the subscription earnings, which is more than Twitch's 50-50 split, and it even beats YouTube's 70-30 split. So it is one of the highest paying streaming services out there right now. So this might be one of the best times to join Kick and start streaming over there. So there is also some rumors that Kick will pay around $16 per hour to streamers who broadcast live on its platform. So if this feature rolls out, it will be really beneficial to streamers, as they will not only get money from their subscriptions, but they will also get an hourly pay, which is great. But to get the hourly pay, there are certain conditions that must be met. So the conditions are being awake and interactive for the chat. That is, it will not serve to stream sleeping. So that was one of the conditions. Now the second condition is a minimum of 4 hours a day and 30 days a month. You must be of legal age, whether it may be 16 or 18 depending upon your country. And finally, let your face always be seen on the webcam. So you cannot simply open your stream and then go out somewhere else. You must be on the stream, and you must stream for a minimum of 4 hours a day for 30 days straight a month. So those are the requirements that must be fulfilled before you get the hourly pay from Kick. Hope this video cleared your confusion and answered your questions. So that is basically how much Kick pays to its streamers. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.